Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp backup stuck on iCloud or Google Drive. If you're using any iPhone and your WhatsApp status is stuck while you are trying to upload your WhatsApp backup on your Google Drive or iCloud, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to open up your WhatsApp, then go for settings in the bottom right corner, and here you have to go for chat, then scroll down and look for chat backup option, tap on it, and here select backup now. So let's see how can you fix your issue if you are stuck on the backup updating. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is not stable and you have to face this type problem. So you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and then wait for your phone until it's connect to internet. And once you have connected, you have to try to open up your settings, then go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN here. Or if you have any VPN connected, try disconnect your VPN and then try again to get backup of your WhatsApp chats. Or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your app store, and here you have to make sure that you have any update available of your WhatsApp app. Open up the app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp here, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available of your WhatsApp app. Or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app and then retry to get backup. Or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, open up your settings and then go for general, go for iPhone storage, then scroll down, look for WhatsApp, tap on it, then tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again. It will fix if there's any bug in your WhatsApp app, and after that you have to tap on this reinstall app, and then your app will be reinstalled. You can see that the WhatsApp app is now reinstalling. Now you cannot use your WhatsApp until it's completely reinstalled. And once your WhatsApp reinstalled, you can easily get backup of your chats without any issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if your WhatsApp backup stuck on your while you uploading on Google Drive or iCloud. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.